Welcome to Svastya Organic Farms. So, in a previous video, one of the customers or fellow members asked me about how do you decompose, how do you prepare manure, what do you do. So, in this video, I'm gonna explain or show you how we do it at Svastya Organic Farms, how we feed our farm, how do we decompose. So, what I'm gonna show is my traditional cow shed, okay, which my grandfather built maybe 60 to 70 years before. Basically the whole cow shed is built using stones, so nothing else, stone and mud, so we don't use in cement or concrete. Then the cow dungs which are neat and clean, those cow dungs are then poured into this gobar gas chamber. So from this chamber we leave it for a day or two, so it decomposes. Then we mix it with water. Then the mixture of water and the cow dung is then sent through this hole, okay, into the bigger chamber. So from here the cow dung will go and settle into this chamber. So this chamber will accommodate maybe 1,000, 2,000 or 5,000 liters, approximately 5,000 liters of the mixture. So what happens in this chamber, inside this chamber, if you see, the cow dung along with the cow urine and the water decomposes for approximately 5 days, 10 days. It's a continuous process. So post this, through this decomposition we obtain the methane gas. So that gas we collect through this pipe, okay, and the same one we use it for cooking. So that is what we call as gobar gas. Gobar in the mean, it's cow dung, so the gas that comes from the emission is called as the gobar gas. So from this chamber it connects to our house, okay, so cooking and all other purpose we use the same. So then what happens to the cow dung or the water or the cow urine? So from this, if you see, from this hole we have a very big hole here. From this hole the excess cow manure gets into this pit. So what we have done is we have created 4 pits, number 1, 2, 3, 4. So the cow dung or the manure that comes in will mix up with the other farm waste like the husk, the food waste, everything, and it starts decomposing like this. So this is pit 1, so this is yet to be filled. Once the pit 1 is done, then we push it into the pit 2. Then once that is done we move into the pit 3, okay. So what happens with this, this each pit is maybe around 6 to 10 feet, it's 12 feet, okay. So each pit, if you see, it will be 12 feet from the ground level. So what we do is we fill this mixture every time like layer wise. We put a lot of wastages, then we mix it with cow dung and other manure and other wastages. Similarly we do it in our other pits. So by the end of year, that is the harvesting or the sowing of the seeds will happen basically during the initiation of the rainy season. So at the time what we normally do is we clean up this pit, okay, then put all this decomposed manure into the soil, then mix it, and this process continues. It goes year on year on. Apart from this we use waste husks, okay, and the agricultural waste, everything that directly we put into the farm. This is the process how we decompose the manure in Svastya Organic Farms. Thanks for watching.